If Snapchat is banned inside your country and you cannot use it, so how can you use it in your mobile phone if Snapchat application is banned in your country or Snapchat banned your account? So the two problems have only one solution, that is VPN. Yes guys, there is only way you can use a banned application inside your phone in your country. So that is a VPN option here. Firstly, we just have to go on the Google Play Store here, like my mobile phone. This is my Android phone. If you have iPhone, so you just can go on the App Store option to download any best VPN application from there. After opening our Play Store here, I will search for a better VPN application, and you can see the Turbo VPN is the best VPN you can use for the free. Yes, this is not a promotion video, this is just to tell you the better options and fast options to resolve your problem. So you can just install Turbo VPN from here on your mobile phone, and after that you can connect VPN to United States of any country you want, whereas Snapchat is legal or unbanned. So you can connect your VPN to that country, and then you can use your Snapchat smoothly, effortlessly on your mobile phone. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.